we are very happy. We have not kept any stone unturned to make the visit very, very successful, sir. I am here around the clock. I will be beside you, and for you, separate teams, separate venue, separate accommodation. Everything is specialized. Everywhere we have given our special touch for you. This morning, the weather and the sky in Dhaka was gloomy. After your arrival, it is bright and brighter. But I can give you assurance as dear Commander, your visit and your stay will be more comfortable if you only pray to the God that
It should not rain.
God defeated.
Thank
you. Sir, and Sir Brigadier Murad, main architect of this visit. If you ever try to push him left and right, visit will be unsuccessful. For last few days, he has been working, and the parade ground is awaiting for the footprint of the veterans.
Thank you. Thank you.
Few seconds, sir. While the luggage is being collected, when we go to the hotel, by the time the luggage is taken out for vehicles, you are requested to have your dinner. Once you come down, it's on second floor. Identified luggage, it will be sent to your rooms by the hotel staff. So we'll not waste.
Our staff should be around that.
On behalf of all the veterans, let me thank you, thank the government of Bangladesh, armed forces of Bangladesh for all the hospitality being shown to us. And let me tell you this, we did not notice any hit even in Delhi. Everywhere it was welcome and welcome. Thank you very much.
I take this opportunity to thank the General and his entire team. The entire area is here, I believe, in the airport. One could see at every 5 feet there was a gentleman standing in uniform, and we really felt nice that this is the kind of welcome that Bangladesh is giving to us. And